Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a custom theme for VIM without using a plugin manager. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you how to install and set up software on both Chrome OS and on Windows, then make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is make this nested directory structure where I can install the theme. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to do mkdir, and I'm going to do a -p. That flag allows me to make a nested directory. So I'm going to do vim /pack, and then this next directory you can name whatever you want. I just usually call it colors, and then opt. Okay, and then I'm going to cd into .vim /pack/colors/opt. Okay, and from here, this is where I can clone the themes, via GitHub. So I'm going to open a new browser window here, and I'm going to search for Vim color themes, and the first thing that comes up is this trending Vim color schemes. I like this site. It's not mine. It's just a site I like. I'm going to go to top here, and let's install Groovebox. Okay, so what we can do is we can click on the Groovebox here, and then view Groovebox on GitHub. And then what we want to do is go to this code here, and we want to make sure it's HTTPS. I'm going to copy this link, and inside here, I'm just going to type git clone, and then paste this in with Control-Shift-V, and hit enter. Okay, so that's going to clone into there. Now I can cd back into my home directory. Let's make a vimrc. So we'll do vim.vimrc. Okay, and now once I'm in here, I can do a colon from normal mode, and I'll do color scheme, and I can tab through them. And if you see here, we have Groovebox. Okay, so we have Groovebox, which wasn't previously installed. And if I hit that, we've got now the Groovebox theme. It looks really nice. Okay, you can see that Grooveboxy scheme. Now, if I want this to persist, all I need to do is do color scheme, or colo for short, color scheme Groovebox. And sometimes what you might want to do is with certain themes, like if I want it to be dark, I'm going to go above here, and I'm going to do set bg equal to dark, and I'm actually going to go above here and do set term GUI colors, which will work on certain terminals. Okay, if you really want to get it looking nice. So I'm going to right and click, and then just go right back into the vimrc here, and we see one more thing we need to do is do syntax on. Okay, so now I'll right and click and then go back into my vimrc, and now we've got that Groovebox theme. And you see, because I set the term GUI colors, the colors are a little different. They're a little bit more vibrant in this terminal. This terminal I'm using is LX terminal, but that's pretty much it to installing a theme without a plugin manager. But some themes may not work on this. Some themes, if I quit out of here, some themes may be treated more as a plugin. Now, in a previous video, I showed you how to do that. We make a directory, .vim. We want to do a -p flag here, so we can do nested directory. So we do .vim /pack, and then you can name this next one whatever you want. So plugins, and then /start, and then we could cd into vim /pack/plugins/start. Okay, and one theme that I've noticed has given me some issues in the past is the Dracula theme. So let's try and clone it into this directory and see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to go up here. Let's just go back here and search for Dracula. Okay, come up to Dracula and view Vim on GitHub. Okay, so take this code, and I'm going to git clone it into here. So git clone this into here. Okay, go back to here, and we'll open up our vimrc, and now I'm going to do colo. I can do colo for short, and we have Dracula. Okay, and Dracula works now because I put it in the plugins directory. If I put it in the colors directory, sometimes it gives you issues. Okay, so that's pretty much it for installing a theme without a plugin manager in Vim. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like. Thank you.